Maria, Ed, I don't think you'll find a single person bragging about that fact here in Lawrence tonight. This is what most of the side streets look like. Yes, they have been plowed, perhaps once. Yes, they are passable, but they aren't exactly ideal. Welcome to Lawrence, home to manufacturing, Robert Frost during his early years, and for 4 hours and 1 minute Tuesday, according to the National Weather Service, a blizzard. So yay, you won!
Yeah, that's bad.
You don't seem very excited by that.
Nah, I gotta clean it up.
There was a lot of that, and it was back-breaking work.
It's like heavy snow because it's rainy, so all snow it's like thick, so the blower is not working. So we do it shoveling.
So the old-fashioned way, using your muscles.
It is.
I guess with the rain, it made it worse.
It wasn't as bad as a couple years ago. It's a lot slushier.
Plows had a difficult time too. Traversing side streets and parked cars proved to be a challenge. Many residents chose to venture out as night fell to assess the damage, only to discover that just maybe the National Weather Service was right.
It didn't look that bad till I stepped out here. It looked all right through the window.
It always looks beautiful through the window. Now it's, kind of getting hard and crusty, but I think the kids are going to be happy because they don't have school again tomorrow. Before we let you go, I just have to show you this homeowner's driveway. Absolutely pristine. I would like to know his secret. We're live in Lawrence. Julie Lonchek, WCVB News Center 5.